Let's go hard. Attack that middle cone. Be quick, Junior. Nice move. Let's go, V. Come on, quick. Hand on the ball, quick. Girl, you stop saying I can't. Let's get creative. All right, attack the first cone. Attack the first cone. Yes. The last one, Let's go. Good move. Good shot. Nice move. Oh! All right, we'll end it.